Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Dr. Bijuma, all the way from Kenya, coastal part of Kenya, actually Mombasa. I learned about SMASTI through the internet when I wanted to learn about, in a structured way, on laparoscopy. In Kenya, we still don't have a structured course. So from all the feedbacks I got from the internet, I realized this is a place to come. I was in India in December and I visited the facility and I met Dr. Johansa, and actually out of the way he showed me the program, I realized this is the place. So I came back. I had quite a few of hiccups with visas and everything, but the institute really assisted me in all the documents which I needed. So I arrived here in April. And what I like about this program is the way it is very well structured. The basics and the fundamentals which have been given to me, actually now if I close my eyes, all I see is laparoscopy. It is, they teach you as if you are completely fresh, all the way down. Even a house without a proper foundation, it will fall down. So whatever I got from SMASTI is actually going to help me a lot in the future to learn more. And I really appreciate Dr. Johansa out of all his efforts to make sure that we understand each and every part of it. You can even hear his voice sometimes, like, it rings back in your head. Dr. Alkamam, thank you very much for making me part of your team. Actually, I didn't realize I'm going to be part of the OT team, but somehow I felt I'm part of it now. All the way from how you lay down your patients, positioning, to the end of surgery. I learned a lot, and thank you very much to Dr. Alkamam and the whole team in theatre. I thank a lot all the support staff, Santoshi, Sharja, Dilibaya, as I call him, Dani. You're a family now to me. I feel so close, actually. So I would say this is one of the best places I came to get knowledge from, and I appreciate a lot. Thank you very much.